Is how do you access the actual workshops that we do, the courses, some of the pre-recorded courses of food saving because you don't have the time to come on the courses or you've been on the courses and you want to go through it again. So what you do is you log in as normal, and obviously when you log in, you go through the normal stages. Let's get started. There's always let's get started. I'm on day 4, so let's get started should take me to day 4 of the meal plan. But that's not what we're here for. If we look at it, you have meals, you have fitness, we've been through fitness, you have the AI nutritionist, and then we have the courses. These are all live courses that have been pre-recorded for those people that need to catch up or their internet connection wasn't okay at the time. So they can go through some of the courses. Some of them are food saving. Initially, it was food saving courses, but we have a number of different courses here. For example, we have nutrition for finely tuned healthy body, brain power, and so on. So let's just quickly click on that one. And as you can see, what happens once you click on it, it will now come up with a video. And then once the video comes up, it will start playing this particular one. I don't know how many. It might be 1 hour. It might be 60 minutes. They're quite long. In fact, in this case, this one is. Ooh, this one's a long one. Okay, let me just see how long this is. This one is close to 2 hours. So, and the good thing is you can start, watch it. You may be on your way to work or on the way home. You can watch it on the way to work. You can resume after that on the way back home, especially in Nigerian traffic or Ghana traffic or London traffic or worldwide traffic. It's good to watch, but it's on your phone. So very simple. Once you finish, you close, and then you can go and watch another video too. Okay, so that's it. That's how to get there. So thanks for watching.